Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you N8n versus LangChain 2025. Which one is better? When comparing N8n and LangChain, the choice depends on your project's needs. Both are powerful tools, but serve very different purposes. Let's start with N8n. It is an open source automation tool designed to connect apps and automate workflows. The pros is that it's user-friendly, its visual, no-code interface makes creating workflows easy, and the integration is focused, connects with APIs, databases, and over 300 apps. Then lastly, flexibility. You can use it for everything from simple automations to complex multi-app workflows. Then we move on to the cons. There is no LLM-specific features. It's not designed specifically for AI or language models. Then lastly, the other con is that it has a limited AI capability. While you can integrate LLMs, the process isn't as seamless and can take up a lot of time. Then we move on to LangChain. LangChain is AI-centric, tailored for natural language processing, making it perfect for chatbots, summarization, or decision-making systems. Flexibility with data, seamlessly integrates with APIs, vector databases, and knowledge graphs. Then we move on to the cons. Steeper learning curve, requires coding knowledge to unlock its full potential, not for general automation, and it is focused on LLM workflows, not app integrations. So which one is better? You can choose N8n if you need general workflow automation or app integrations. But if you want more options and more capabilities, then you should definitely go for LangChain if your focus is on building AI-driven applications with LLMs. And there you go. I hope this video was helpful for you, and I'll see you in the next one.